Hi, this is John from Rex Academy. Welcome to the Introduction to Python course. This is a text-based computer programming class that uses the web-based Rex technology learning platform, or what we call the TLP. Students follow a sequence of video-based instruction modules to learn foundational coding concepts using Python. They complete assignments and take assessments all within the TLP. There are 5 lessons in the course, plus a final project where students write a program to play the game Hangman. The role of the classroom instructor really is just to facilitate students' access and progress in the course. So this course is often delivered using what we call an asynchronous mode. What that really means is that capable students who wish to move faster through the curriculum can be allowed to do so, and their progression doesn't really depend on you, the instructor. In this format, you, the teacher, don't need to look for filler activities, for example, to keep students busy while the slower students catch up. Well, let's talk for a moment about the roles of teachers and students in this course. Your responsibilities as the classroom instructor include just managing classroom activity, including all the collaboration schemes, setting expectations and the pacing of the course, helping students troubleshoot problems that they're having, managing access to all the curriculum components, and resolving student issues with the help of the Rex Tech support as needed. Student responsibilities, on the other hand, are a bit more extensive. They need to work sequentially through the practices, homeworks, labs, and assignments. They need to watch the tutorial videos and type the code that they see in the guided practices. This is their primary instruction. So completing the homeworks and labs as assigned gives them additional programming experiences. Learning to program really is all about problem solving, and they learn foundational computing concepts and then apply them in constantly new programming situations. Really important, we need students in this course always to expect that they'll be collaborating with other students. Sometimes in pairs, sometimes in groups. You as the instructor get to design that yourself. But mostly, students write programs, either following step-by-step instructions in the companion videos for the practices, or in homeworks and labs, applying what they've learned in a new problem situation. So let's end with a quick view of what the Rex technology platform looks like, and we'll certainly dive into this more in other videos. So when teachers and students access the course, this is the screen that they see. The organization of the course is completely linear, so as I scroll down, let's just take a quick survey here. Items at the top on the first page that you see here are initial activities, but very quickly you see there's lesson 1. So let's break this down. In this lesson we have a teacher's guide, and you should look at those ahead of each lesson just so you have an idea of what's ahead for the students. This one has a quick video explaining to students why Python is a great language to learn programming. And then the course really consists of a series, or a sequence really, of 4 kinds of items. Practices, in this case in lesson 1 there's 7 of them. Actually 9 of them. Then we've got homeworks, there's 1, 2, 3 of them. And then we have 1, 2, 3 labs. And finally at the end of the lesson there's a quiz. Pretty standard layout for each lesson. If I scroll further down in the course, we can see it's the same exact setup for each of the other lessons that follow. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And at the end of the course is a programming project that you may or may not get to. We'll talk more about that. All right, I'll see you in the next video where we'll start to talk about startup procedures for the course.